Are you wondering how to make a project private in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do and some considerations if you are to do this. So what I've done here is I've logged into my account and I've got a project already set up and created. So do bear in mind that you do need to have your project set up in order to be able to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the project up and we're going to get to the list view here. So to make the project private, what you actually need to do is, if you kind of scroll over to the right hand side and hover over this, well, that's my actual account. But if I kind of hover over it, it will say public to my workspace. So what you need to do is click that icon here, and this screen is going to pop up. From here, you need to select the share tab, and at the bottom it will say public to my workspace, and you essentially just need to click this button here, and all it says is make private. So click that, and I don't know if you saw that, it quickly happened. Now this project is private. So just consider that now I've done this, only project members who have been shared to this project will be able to see this private project. Obviously that's probably the purpose behind it, and this is an important one as well. Only people who are invited will be able to find this project as well, so it'll be completely concealed as well. Now, assuming, let's say this is private, let's say you wanted to make it public again, then as you can see, it's very much the same process. You just do it in reverse. So you click this button and it goes back to public. So remember, you go into the project, you click your kind of icon here, the user. There may be, if there's several users working on the project, then they will be kind of listed here. Click that, and then you go in and then you click that button. So let's just do that one more time. Click here, share, make private. So that's how to make a project private in Asana. I hope this video is useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel, and even head over there. I've got a whole playlist on Asana training on the various aspects of this tool. And I've got a lot of other videos as well on my channel for just project management tutorials and videos in general. And it may even be other platforms as well that you may be interested in. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.